As a local family-owned business, the communities we serve mean a great deal to us. That's why Phelps takes great pride in our efforts to minimize our ecological footprint. The Phelps Green Initiative ensures our clients receive the same high-quality uniform and facility services they know us for, as well as assurance that their environments remain pristine. Here's how Phelps is doing our part. Our Green Initiative prevents waste with the help of an advanced water recycling system used for our laundry process. We provide reusable products such as laundry bags, roll towels, and both dust and wet mops. We also offer our clients paperless invoices, statements, sales transactions, and more options. Whenever possible, we also set up programs that repurpose used garments and products or donate them back to our local communities. Our delivery trucks are also Clean Idle certified for maximum efficiency, and our plant is TRSA Clean Green certified as well. Working with Phelps means more than a cleaner environment. It means you can rest assured knowing that every item is handled with care and is kept safe from dangerous viruses such as COVID-19. Sign up for service today and see the difference in your local community.